Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is on this smoky, sultry cat eye for Valentine's Day. I think this is the perfect look for either a casual date or a fancier date. So if you guys would like to learn how I did this look, I don't know what I'm saying, then please keep watching. So I've already done my foundation. I loaded up the powder underneath my eyes to avoid fallout, and I taped up the corners of my eyes so I can get the perfect, easy cat eye. So for eyeshadow today, I'm using the Deck of Scarlet Edition 6 eyeshadow palette. I'm actually taking this beautiful blush shade, and I'm going to use it for eyeshadow because I think it's the perfect transition shade for the look that we're going for today. So I'm just blending that in with a big, fluffy blending brush. So once I finish buffing this into my crease, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit into my outer V just to kind of add some depth, and I want to keep some of the outer V to be a little bit more on the matte side because the rest of the look is going to be pretty darn shimmery, so I like to have a little bit of contrast in there. Now I'm taking a more tapered blending brush and I'm going to go in with this nice cool toned matte brown shade, and I'm just going to kind of define my crease a little bit more. This is going to make the eye look pop, and it's going to kind of add a little bit more drama to the look. If you want to keep it more on the light natural side, you're going to want to skip this step, but I like to kind of carve out the crease and add some drama. Now I'm jumping ship to some more shimmery shades. I'm going in with Stephanie, which is also by Deck of Scarlet, and I'm going to apply this all over the inner part of my lid as well as the center of my lid, but I will be avoiding the place where we added the matte darker shade. Now I'm going in with the shade Evan, which is a really beautiful light pearly shade. This is going to kind of lighten up the rest of the look and make our eyes look a little larger, so I'm applying this right into my inner tear duct area. Now just to kind of perfect things, I'm going to go back with that cool tone brown and my tapered blending brush and just kind of carve out my crease even just a little bit more, just to kind of make things look a little bit cleaner. Go ahead and remove that tape and let's put on some winged liner. I'm just using the liner that came with my Deck of Scarlet Edition 6 palette. Of course, we can't forget mascara. I'm throwing on my favorite mascara by Physicians Formula, and I'm going to, of course, throw on some false lashes because I wanted this look to be pretty dramatic but still wearable at the same time. These lashes are from Shop Miss A, so they were $1. Can't beat that. So I decided that this look was like good, but it just needed to be a little bit better because I need some more glitter. So I'm using the Stila Magnificent Metals eyeshadow in the shade Kitten, and I'm applying this right to the center of my lid just for a little extra glitz and glam. Once again, I'm reaching for that matte cool tone brown shade from the Edition 6 palette, and I'm just going to smudge that underneath my lower lash line just to kind of smoke things out a little bit. We're going to coat those lower lashes with some mascara. And finally, I'm just going to run back over my liner with my liner pen once again just to kind of darken up the line and make it nice and crisp. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to it, and I hope you guys all have an amazing Valentine's Day, whether you're single, you're taken, or you're just kind of hanging out with the girls. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.